What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can start dropshipping from £0. So firstly, let's look at in which ways you need money for dropshipping. So one is a website. So for the website you need some money, and number two is for marketing. So when you have your product and you want to get that in front of people's eyes and hopefully they click on your product and buy it, so you get profit. So let's deal with the website first. For the first 14 days you have to pay nothing. You have no credit card requirements or anything, just your email, and you get a free website. Now I'm not going to sign up just yet because I'm going to record my dropshipping experience very soon and I'll upload that as well. But yeah, once you enter your email, all that, you get a free website and you can start customizing it. 2 weeks only though, so you have some short time. You want to start getting profit very soon. So as you have your website out of the way, the other one you have is marketing. So Instagram is your place for marketing. Instagram or Facebook Marketplace or wherever you want to show your products. If you don't have a theme page or a page to do with your product with not much followers or engagement, you want to contact a person who does. So the person might have 100k followers or something with amazing engagement, so every single post they post is getting decent amount of likes and all that, so the engagement is pretty good. Then you want to get to them, you want to get in contact with them and ask them if they can advertise your product, and you ask them for the promo rates. As we're going to do it for free, what you want to ask them is if they can get a percentage of the profit to advertise your product. Whatever profit you get from the person advertising it, you give 20%, 50% or whatever they agreed with you. That's pretty much it. And by the way, when you are sending your money, you want to make sure you do it through PayPal, so just to stay on the safe side in case they trick you or any nonsense like that appears. By the way, for your domain name, so when you have a Shopify website, when you scroll down to the very end, you might have @Shopify, your name, and @Shopify. To take that Shopify off and to have a custom name, you need to pay some amount for it. So it's $14 per year on Shopify, or you can go to some websites, get some discounts and do that there. It's only like $10 or $14 a year. So after you get your first profit, you can start that. But at the end though, you do want to start, like for advertising, you don't just want to do percentage because you're not getting the whole amount. So if you do pay them, like after you get your profits from the free version, right? You can go ahead and get to more people. For advertisement, you don't have to pay or anything. For Photoshop, you might need to pay, but you can go ahead and do it on Pixlr editor. You can just spend some time learning on that and make a thing. Pixlr editor is a great free editor, which is what I use for my thumbnails and all that. I even made a video on that. It's a very basic video on me editing the thumbnail. Yeah, do check that out if you're interested. And I even made a more in-depth video on dropshipping as well. It's very basic. It'll tell you how to find your products and all that. Yeah, do check that out. It's in the cards right now. And yeah, that's how you can get started on dropshipping for free. If you did find any value in that video, please do drop a like. If you didn't, do comment down below because I want these videos to have value in them and for you to get something out of it. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next video.